Question 24. Write 225 as the product of its prime factors. When you're asked to write something as a product of its prime factors, what we're trying to do is divide this by prime numbers. One of the best ways to do this is to use a prime factor tree. But if you have another method of doing this that gives you the same answer, keep using it. Use something that you're confident with. I like to start with the number 225 and have a look if I can identify two numbers that would multiply together to give me that value. Well, I can see straight away, because the number ends in 5, it could be in the 5 times table. It's also in the 25 times table. How many 25s fit into 225? Well, there's 4 in 100, 8 in 200, which means there must be 9 25s in 225. Neither of these are prime numbers, so we can split them again. What two numbers could multiply to give me 25? Well, in this case, the only option we have is 5 times 5. Both of these are prime numbers, and therefore the branches end. So we switch across to the other branch, 9. What two numbers multiply to give you 9? Well, 1 and 9, that's a bit pointless, but this time we can also do this as a product of 3 and 3. Both of these are prime numbers, so we circle them and show that we've actually finished every branch. As a product of its prime factors, we then have 5 multiplied by 5, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3. 5 times 5 is 25, times 3 times 3, which is 225. It's best often to simplify this using index notation. So instead of 5 times 5, we have 5 squared. This is multiplied by 2 3's, which is 3 to the power of 2. So our final answer in the product of prime factors is 5 squared multiplied by 3 squared.